再来看美国总统川普甲罗西亚总统普廷将进行今年第6届的通话。川普希望讲俄乌战争会当赶紧收煞。川普嘛讲两个人通话了后无啥进展，伊感觉是真无满意。普廷是强调讲，当初甲乌克兰相争的目的嘛是无变。另外，乌克兰伫7日嘛空袭罗西亚边境的指挥部，但是海军副司令，这嘛是罗西亚伫今年战争中死亡上高赞的军官。
美国总统川普甲西亚总统普廷个通会讲差不多1点钟。
We had a call. It was a pretty long call. We talked about a lot of things, including Iran, and we also talked about, as you know, the war with Ukraine. And I'm not happy about that. I'm not happy. No, I didn't make any progress with him today at all.
根据克里姆林宫爆料表示，罗西亚总统普廷甲川普的讲话当中牵涉伊朗甲中东问题，表示莫斯科继续提出解决战争根本原因的立场。莫斯科希望透过谈判结束乌克兰战争，但过未放弃最初的目标。根本原因已经加做罗西亚对北约扩张甲西方支持乌克兰这两大问题。简单讲法，包含拒绝乌克兰加入北约的政府想法，因为美国军费度比真紧张暂停对乌克兰送武器。乌克兰总统泽伦斯基表示，希望上紧在5段针对美国暂停供应武器的代志，甲川普讲。
Of course, we count on continuation of American support, but there are some items which Europe, it's a pity, but which Europe doesn't have for today. Missiles for Patriot systems. What about our bilateral relation with the United States and this support? So I hope that maybe tomorrow or in close days, these days, I will speak about it with the President Trump.
另外，乌克兰车子空袭罗西亚伫乌克兰边境干了几公里的科伦内霍指挥部，成功击杀海军副司令古德科夫少将。这是罗西亚今年阵亡的最高级别的军官。不过，根据《华尔街日报》报道，罗西亚今年顶半年透过增高薪水甲赦免遣真侪人甲受刑人服役，已经招到21万人上战场，动员能力应该是乌克兰2倍。公司新闻，恩文玲编译。